Hello everyone, this is Ku and I'm recording this to guide you to Dragon Draft and maybe to give you some tips to help you raise your points. So let's begin. Okay, what do we have? This first level is not very important because any three heroes will beat this. So while they are doing this, I'm looking what heroes in the pool. So maybe Surrey is here. So obviously Bobby can be played, but we don't know if Druid's in the game. There is Gunkar Fighter, which means elves are playable if you don't even have Ina. And with Ulla, also rogues can be played. And with Bianca, dwarves is always powerful. So I can pick human and go rogues, elves and Gunkar Fighter Ina, but power seals is safe for both. I can play both elves and humans, so I go power seal. So this is pretty bad start. So I will just try my chance, but I don't think so. Let's see, to buff this to attack, maybe if skill procs, maybe we might have a chance with power seal. To see, they will have 20% buff with this power seal, so nope. Okay, I want to get minus at least. Okay, come on. Yep, very lucky. Very lucky. So I'm checking what heroes are in the game always to move on. Okay, Elven Union, Undead Union, and more items. I can go Elves. Okay, let's go Elves. Let's try. Okay, so here we go. We found Bobby. So Bobby will directly destroy the enemy here. Okay, let's see what we get. Human, powerful fists, and undead. So I don't want to mix elves with humans, so I go powerful fists. Ooh, okay. So I couldn't go level 5, but my Bobby is pretty strong at the moment with 2 stars. And this 400% bonus with Sir Abe, so I don't like Bobby, especially if there's no druid in the game. It's pretty bad to play, but there's nothing I can do else. Okay, here we go. There's mages. So if mages pro can kill your Serape, so your Bobby is useless. So we will see. We will see. We will check all the teams. Okay, good. We have Bard. Okay, let the bonus stay. I think we will play Bobby because this is a huge advantage to have like 2 Bobbies with 1 2 stars. So I can rush. I can get 50 gold easily with losing less points. Then go to level 11 fast and find some precious heroes there. We will see. We will see after this round. Maybe we get Terrafiel. or Tarafiel. I don't know how it's called. Okay, see, Tarafiel. Yes, I don't want to play Bobby. Like I said, I don't love playing Bobby. Boom. So the first round is not him. So you basically upgrade the first three hero with the less rarity you put on the deck. So I will upgrade one of these, and I can do like this for the first round at least, and have a nice good ranger bonus for the first round at least. Okay, let's see. Boom. Let's see what will Terrafield do. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Luckily. Okay, there are orcs and goblins. Bobby, which can be beatable if there's no druid. I will try to explain what I do and why I do it, so you can understand easily. See, I upgrade this. So, uh, I need the ranger bonus. I need to keep ranger bonus, and but I don't want to go with Galkil Nadar or Gunkar Fighter. So we are taking a risk and going like this. We can take Bianca and buff him, but he has like 20% active chance, so it's very less. So let's just try our luck with this. Okay, this is bad. I'm saying this is bad. Okay, nice. Please no proc, no proc. Okay. Not bad. So we took the risk. Good. We got Purple Fist. Oh, lucky. Okay. So Ina or Bard? We are expecting Ina or Bard. Yes, good. One more round, Bard, and we will. So you might be guessing like why I'm not re-rolling, because like in the first 5 round, I mean after 5 to 10 rounds, you don't lose so much points. I mean, because everybody is trying to build their deck, no like 1,000 stars and 1,000 things. So it's the risk can be takeable, in my opinion. Okay, this uh okay, very bad lose. Seriously, very bad lose. So saving gold at least, saving gold, so we can re-roll and find more heroes and upgrade our level while upgrading our rarity. See, this is a big mistake. So he got 1 gold and no or four heroes. No, can't find anything. This can be taken as risk because orcs are too strong. See, most of the guys are just saving up like me. And we will see what trophy we will get after level 10, and we will move according to that, okay? So no damage from Ina, of course. Okay. Attack this Terrafield, please. Okay, thank you. Nope. No. Probably lose. Yeah, just like us. Terrafield didn't work. We should have gone Bobby, but I love elves. What can I say? So level 10, not so much damage, not bad. Okay, second bard. And in the NPC rounds like 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, you can put every hero because you won't need to upgrade them after, but now I won't because I need 50 gold. Every 10 gold you have, you get like 1 gold extra, so as an interest. So you go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and maximum 50, like you get 5 extra gold every round. Okay, good. Now I can start upgrading Ina or find a control hero to upgrade. Because Terrafiel purple is enough to deal damage to almost every hero. Okay, let's go, let's try. Let's see what we will have after this. Okay, Shackle's perfect. So we can do like this and buff their agility like this. Because I will upgrade Ina directly by this. And we will change after this round. I will explain you. Okay, if we survive this round, probably we will win. Yes. Good, good, good. So see, we are winning rounds. It's good. Yeah. I mean, in a perfect condition, I won't upgrade Ina, but I think there's no control heroes in the game like Blue Orb or like Spiders or Talors. So I'm going damage for now to boost them with Ailred in the future. Okay. So let's do like this. Cause see, raises agility for 2 random allies. So we want to raise Ina's agility because she deals damage with agility. Also, same with the Trafiel. So okay, we can spend our gold after 50. So we are now 8 level. And what we are trying to do is to reach level 10 and find a good, beautiful Ailred if we can. Nice, nice, nice boost again. Okay, we need a proc. Come on, Ina. Work beautiful. Yep. Oh, oh, this is unlike we will lose. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Don't proc. Don't pro. We will lose. Yeah, I knew it. She's doing everything wrong, but what can you do? We have no control. Ooh, Naziba. Okay, okay, 2 Nazibas. Perfect. So we can get rid of this and do like this to boost these guys. It seems like we are losing, but we are 8 level, 50 gold like this guy, see. Also playing Elves, almost the same. Like, so we are going pretty good. And we will see what will happen after level 10. We will have good damage. Yes, yes, yes. So let me check. Oh, I have no Ailred in my hero pool, but I hope someone put it for me. I hope Ailred is in the hero pool. Yeah, is the worst thing you can do, but it works somehow because there's no control in the game, like I told you. Also, Wukong is very, 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 very effective because Elves has like 20 dodge bonus. This Rangers got 30 dodge bonus when you have 4. Of course, now we have 10. And with the monks in the late game, you will have 20 more. And if you get like the dodge trophy, sorry, not this 15 dodge, and you are almost untouchable. So I will take a risk and upgrade my bard so we can do like 3 bards. Yeah. So I upgrade after the level starts, so I can play with 4 bards already. Ooh, 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 okay. See, Terra feels huge damage. Nice. I'm lucky. I was lucky it's round. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not upgrading Naziba because Naziba upgrade is not the best because it's too expensive to boost. So I'm just picking randomly so they can help me. They can die while my Ina and Trafil damages. This round is not that easy, but Trafil will handle, I suppose. Then we will get our trophy and we will move according to that. We will see what's gonna happen after that, okay? Yeah, Trafil. With single Ina, it might be hard time to time to pass this level. Yeah. Elves rock after Ailred. Before Ailred, we are not the strongest. And we got shackles instead of that, but most of the time, light weapon works perfect well with Ina. So not too bad, not too good. This guy is too strong but couldn't manage his gold. So we still have the advantage if we can find the hero we are looking for, Ailred. And then we will go to control like, okay, I'll get tavern update. I'll do like this. Now watch, we have a lot of gold. Let's go, we are 10 and we got 10, so boom. Level 11. Yeah, first control hero. Oh, LG in the game, okay. Okay. Mm, so like this, this. Oh, this. Oh, we couldn't find Ailred. It's bad, but at least we got ranger bonus, we got control, we got our buffs, and we got 2 LGs, which is very good because I will repeatedly silence and buff my elves with it. Yep, see, nice. So I will upgrade Kaleta. Then I think I will search a little bit for Ailred because I don't want to upgrade Naziba as the second hero. We will see. Okay, come on. Wish me luck. I hate rerolling. I really hate rerolling. Okay. Okay. No Ailred in the game. Okay. So we are like, we can say fucked up, I suppose. Right? Right? No Ailred. Yeah. So this is bad. I have to upgrade Queen of Pain now. At least we will have like synergy with Kalita and Queen of Pain. So we'll have rogues and we'll see what's gonna happen. Good. I wasted a lot of gold for rerolling. I thought I read in the game. Most of the game there are Ailred, but not in this game. It's bad. Yeah, we won. We hurt the guy. You will see. We hurt the guy. No, no, we didn't. I don't know. Okay, we will try to be in the top four cause this is not going well. I'm not gonna lie. So we don't have 30% range bonus yet. We have rogues bonus. Let's do like this. Ah, no, it doesn't change anything. So. Oh, there's Zeus. We didn't see Zeus. If there's Miklan, we could have changed to Wisdom, but it's too late because we upgrade both rogues. What the hell, dude? Playing undead, but you know, there is an orc upgrade. I don't know why. Okay, we are going pretty well at the moment. Let's see. Okay, we can't beat the Bobby yet. Proc Ina. Yes, 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 yes. Ah, but oh, smart dude upgraded his Saray, but we will win this round. Yeah, and we will hurt. We will hurt a lot. Just watch. See? Yes, spiders work. So it's bad that we can't buff our Ina with Ailred, so when she procs, she don't destroy the whole deck. It's bad. But we are doing good stuff. It's okay. Even if there's Ailred and somehow we couldn't find him, we can switch later. But this guy, yeah, I didn't see Zeus. I would switch to Wisdom. Silence Zeus, please. Silence Zeus, please. Nope. Nope, my call. That doesn't work. Yeah, good job, Ina. Good job, Ina. Yeah, good. Come on, LGs. LGs. Yeah, yeah, we won. We won. Good, good, good. Maybe there might be Space Warrior because there are rogues 13, so we can buff with them. We will see. Or we can switch to Wisdom after this, but I think the game won't be that long. Maybe we can get like level 2 elves. She's doing everything wrong. I'm sorry. Yeah, of course, everything wrong, you know. Oh, there's Maras. There's Maras. It's very, very, very good news. Very, very, very good news. Yeah. So, what does Maras do? Basically, adds class to all allies assassins. So, all my heroes will be assassins, and they will deal pure damage. So, pew. Perfect. Perfect for elves. Yeah, we are bad on rarity, but we have enough damage. We will have enough damage after Mars, especially we don't have the light weapon to lower the guilds. I think Mars will work perfect. Yeah, see, even Macarion is dead pretty fast. Let's see what we will get now. This dude is pretty strong if he gets like level 2 orcs. Nah, nah, the wars are strong already. So like I told you, if I get T4, I'm forced. I will be happy after this game. But if we get weapon sharpening, it changes everything. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Very, very good. Very good, very good, very good. So, I mean, we will just sit and watch every turn. They buff themselves, they use their active skills, they attack, and they might have a chance to attack with one more skill that they get with this. Okay, so come on, go silence this. Silence this. My dear Kalata, silence this. Nope. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. See? Boom, boom, boom. Pure damage. Maras works. See, perfect. Perfect. Okay, we won this easily. Weapon sharpening, yeah, perfect. Best thing you can have in elves, weapon sharpening, that's all. You might like wonder why they are green and we are getting a new hero, not upgrading them, because we have enough damage. Rogue bonus 40% attack for these all heroes with Maras. We get pure damage and they have the rogue bonus, so they might attack with 200% of their attack twice. And these two little things, let's say, they are strong already. So even without falling, even without Ailred, this deck is seriously strong. Also, this deck is seriously strong, and we didn't see even one Miklan, but miss? Yes. See, misses? Miss? No miss? Okay, no miss. Boom, 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 pure damage. Okay, spider, good. Lows, nice, nice, nice. And we are slowly upgrading the rarity of our heroes, which is perfect. So we want to upgrade Queen of Pain first. That's why we leave her as the third lowest rarity hero, like first Naziba, then Algae, then Queen of Pain is the lowest. So then we put this. We can put this. So we will upgrade Queen of Pain first. That's a good trick to know. Okay, we have a pretty good advantage. I will try to reach back to 50 gold because we are already winning rounds. Probably except this. This too is dangerous. Okay, silence good. In a work? Work, my dear. Yep. Okay, Queen of Pain works. Okay, good, good. Very, very strong. LG, yes, thank you. Okay, we won this round. We won this round easily. If you have weapon sharpening, if you have enough elves, and if you can survive the first 2 or 3 rounds with miss, you are pretty indestructible at the end of the game. The end game, like after level 13. Okay, let's reach level 50 and start to earn oh, this is a risk I can take. So if we find another Queen of Pain, we will add. But I want to get miss bonus with this first. Okay. This guy is still dangerous. Probably have orcs too, I guess. Because he's not losing HP. We will see. He's in a bad position just because he can't control his gold. He's not gaining any gold. He's winning, gaining like 5 gold, 7 gold, 8 gold, whatever, but it's nothing. So if you don't have interest, it's really hard to stay up in the game at the high levels. Okay, Bobby. Okay, Bobby. Oh, okay, no procs? LG? You? Okay. Yep, come on. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we won this round as well. Let's see. Yes, see, we can't win this guy. I'm pretty sure he got Orcs too. But we are raising up our rarities. We will be stronger. Let's see what we will get. We got maybe light weapon would be perfect. Maybe 30 gold, so we can raise the process, or 25 HP maybe to go back to 100 HP. Okay, guys, please. Yeah, thank you. Don't just buff yourselves. Please attack. Thank you. Boom. Still, this game is not won. We have a lot of to do. Let's see. Okay, so I don't want to waste 35 HP to this, so I will get this. Okay, see? Boom. Okay, first, let's do like that. This. And we are not just going to 14 and put this, because we want to have the 5 gold. And because we are already winning, except this guy. So now, from now on, we will just spend gold after gold, just upgrading our rarities and levels, that's all. After 15, maybe we can switch to wisdom, but I'm not sure. Okay, miss. Yes, thank you. Miss, time to time. Okay, thank you. Oh, oh, no LGs work probably, so let's act like that I didn't touch skip. Okay. We can get second Moras, but no rush, because I think nobody silences it. Yeah, maybe this. Maybe this silences. This can silence because of the agility. Yeah, we are going pretty fine. If they reach epic, it's enough for me. This I still didn't see any Miklan, any Zeus. I don't know how did this guy found them, but I don't know. Okay, dwarfs first time. By the yeah, okay, this is a good silence. Before it was a bad silence. One, two. Okay, miss guys, come on. Yes, 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 yes. One more. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. Please work, LG. Please work, LG. Yeah, see you. Bye bye. That's why I'm putting Enos instead of this Queen of Pain. So, miss is important. So this guy is unbeatable. Orcs too bad. But maybe there are some good heroes after level 15. Of course, like Mictlan, like Zeus. We will obviously change to them, but still not enough to beat this guy. We need like 15% dodge, so he can't touch, and my elves just get stronger and stronger and stronger. Like, let's do like this. It's a shame that there's no Ailred in the game, otherwise it will be good damage. Good damage. Yeah, we will race with the orc. I won't be able to win probably, yeah, so. But we will see, we will see, we will see. See Zeus here. Not yet, not yet. Or maybe... Let's see first. Pretty sure he got orcs too. Yeah. I mean, too strong, bro. He's playing really bad, but too strong, you know. If LG's work, maybe a small... Oh, no, too bad. Yeah, thank you, Terrafiel. Yeah, we need 15% dodge. We need more dodge to win. Let's see what we will get. Another Maras. I still didn't see any Miklan yet. Okay, so I think I should get this. Powerful Fists? Yeah. Let's do like something like this. Any good heroes? Like I know they get boosted by ability, but I like to boost these guys. I don't know, I have no choice. There is Midland in the game, but I didn't see it. Okay, I seriously have no chance. And he got missed where I need it. Nothing I can do. Just imagine how strong are orcs losing to a 16 level weapon sharpening elves. So because I need to control them, but there's no control heroes in the game except Kalata. So boom boom, and yeah I it's like that. I don't have any dodges. Yeah, whatever. I wish that would be a good guide for the elves, but still not bad without Ired. Thanks for watching.